Were you the one saying you wanted? Jacob was saying he wanted nuggets, huh? He wanted that like processed, ground up. Like he didn't want chicken tenders.
No.
He wanted processed, ground up, like mashed potato chicken nuggets.
They're delicious. They're delicious.
All right.
No, they're terrible. Just like a hot dog. It's like, it's just fucking, this can't be good.
Yeah, but
So delicious.
if I were going to go hot dog or chicken nuggets, like from McDonald's chicken nuggets, I would go hot dog every time.
Oh yeah. If I had chicken nuggets or chicken strips or tenders, I would always pick the strips or tenders. Mm-hmm. I'm just saying, I understand the McDonald's nugget addiction.